Here is an app to make money online. In this video, I'll be taking you through an app that will help you make money doing simple, easy microtask jobs online, working from home, from Nigeria and worldwide. This is an app that will help you work online without any investment. Yes, can you imagine downloading apps, playing games, watching videos, taking simple surveys, testing apps and websites just with your phone? All you need to get started is for you to download this app either on your phone, tablet, or you use the website with your computer. This app will not require you to do any exam, test, interview, your experience, or any certificate to get started. No, all you need to do is to just download the app and you start working. These are simple, easy tasks you can do on transit, while you are in the bus, at home, or at any time of your choosing. The good thing about this company is that they will pay worldwide with multiple payment methods, and you can cash out and collect your money within 2 minutes, and you'll be making money online directly to your bank account in Nigeria and worldwide. This reward app will pay you over $6 for every of their offers. Let me show you how much money people are making using this app. So how much can you make? You can see this website will pay you testing apps, testing websites, taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and several other tasks. You can see you can earn over $6 for every offer, and they have here over 138 offers that is available. Yesterday on this platform, they paid out over $35,000 to different people. You can cash out your money from 5 cents and above, and you can make over $1 within 5 to 10 minutes doing microtask jobs on this platform. Look at this. Average earners on this platform yesterday made over $9, and this company has paid out over $24 million. This will tell you that this app will pay you. What do you think? All you need to get started is just download the app and start working. My name is John from Ask JOFA. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'll be taking you through how I make a full-time income working from home in Nigeria. I'll be showing you how you can get started doing what I do that has made me partner with Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and many other big companies online from Nigeria. But to the business of the day, I have to make money online in Nigeria without any investment from your part. So let's do it. It is very important for you to know that you can only earn extra income on this platform. It may not be able to earn you a full-time income. How do you get started here? You do the task, you complete the task, and you get paid. You can start cashing out from 5 cents on this platform. And if you work actively on this platform, you should be able to make $1 between 5 to 10 minutes. These are some common, frequently asked questions that you should know of. How to make money on Freecash. This company works together with many other companies that want to advertise their apps. As soon as you complete any task on this platform, this company will pay you in form of coin. 1,000 coin is equal to $1. I will show you through how you collect your money directly to your bank account in Nigeria and worldwide. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You can have a sense of how much money you can make by looking at how much money people are making on this platform. This website will reward highest earner every day with $500. As of the time of this review, these are the highest earner for today. This can change as the day grows. Don't forget that 1,000 points is equal to $1. So this person is the number one person for today. He has earned 67,000 points. That is $67 today. He will go with a gift of $50. So this $500 is not for one person. It's for several people. This is the second person. This is the third person. And that is how they share the money. This is the amount they earn in points. This person has earned $62 today, is the fourth person. So you can see that people are making $12, $11, $10, $8. If these people are doing this, you can make more than $6 every day on this platform. And you can see the same thing apply to monthly gift. $5,000 gift for participants on this platform. So this company will give you a gift if you are native workers. To get started, you just click here, sign up. If you use the link below the description of this video, which is my referral link, you can win a sign up bonus if you are lucky of over $250. All you need to do is to use that link. You can win any of this prize. You just put in your email, your username, your password, you repeat the password, you tick this button to confirm and agree to their terms of service and you sign up, or you use your Gmail account to sign up. Let me show you how the inside is. This is the inside of Freecash. For you to get started, you come to this place, you click Earn. If you choose this NG, you enable this offer. You will have access to take this offer. If you take this offer successfully, you will earn over 6,000 points, which is over $6. 1,000 points is $1. If you click this offer, you'll be able to earn over 5,000 points, which is over $5. This play will help you to sort out highest offers for your country, like I'm in Nigeria. These are other great futures offers that can earn you a lot of money. If you do this one now, you'll be able to earn 32 cents, 25 cents. These are great offers that you can attempt right now. This is another offer partners. Look at it. Offer partners contain hundreds of tasks to complete to earn coin. So these are great other offers that you can make money from. These are survey partners. These are partners of this company that want people to take surveys. By clicking any of these places, you start taking their surveys, and you'll be able to earn enough points that will earn you your dollar. You come back to this place. How do you cash out? You click here. Cashing out involves you getting out your money. This is where to cash out, and you can cash out your money as soon as you get up to 5 cents. You can withdraw your money via PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Since you are in Nigeria, I advise you to withdraw your money via Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or Dogecoin. I have a wallet that is highly recommended. You see it below the description of this video. If you use that link, the website will give you a gift of $10. Ensure you read the condition. As soon as you meet the requirement, you will get paid $10. Also, you have access to get paid gift cards with your earnings. If you are in countries where you have access to withdraw your money via gift cards, so that is how you withdraw your money from this platform. This is a great platform that will help you get out your Bitcoin easily directly to your bank account in Nigeria. As soon as you register on this platform, you use your wallet to collect your Bitcoin on that platform. Then you come back to this place to sell your coin. You select sell, you click search. You'll be able to see list of people that are looking for people with Bitcoin to sell. If you click this place, look at this person. All these people now, they wanted to buy Bitcoin. So look at this one, 5,000 to 35 million. So if you click this place, this person sell Bitcoin using bank transfer to Nigeria. So this person will buy your coin. Suppose this is your Bitcoin. This person will buy it at this amount as of today. All you just need to do is to click sell, and this platform will hold your Bitcoin until this person transfer the money to your account. You see the money in your account. You now release your coin, and this platform will now release the coin to the person that send you the money. So this is how you exchange your coin for Naira in Nigeria, and you can do this for all countries worldwide. So this is how you get paid directly to your bank account in any country you are watching me from. Thank you. You now know all about Freecash app that will help you make money doing microtask jobs with your phone. All you need to do is download the apps and start working. I earlier promised to let you know how I earn a full-time income online. I work as an affiliate marketer, working full-time online from home in Nigeria. I get to know everything about affiliate marketing via the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world. I would like you to consider this company because they changed my life. Watch this video. You are going to learn all about how I get started with them, how you can start with them, my success stories, and many success stories of other people. Ensure you use my affiliate link. That is the only way I can see you inside the training platform. I can hold your hand and help you make money. It will also be great if you check out my email affiliate marketing training, which is free. Just go to askjofa.com. You'll be able to have a rough overview of how affiliate marketing works. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. It will help you to go viral, and many Nigerians will see this app and start using this app. Drop your comment with your feedback. I will surely get back to you. The next video can change your life. You will learn how to make over $100 every day in Nigeria. Thank you for your time. God bless you. Bye for now.